Is it the right time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Alibaba. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, January 22, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any critical updates that may impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 22, 2024, our system has identified Alibaba as a sell candidate, with a score of -3.94. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. It's important to keep an eye on this evaluation as we continue to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently in a downward trend, which can present a great buying opportunity for investors. If the stock breaks below the support level of $67.58, it may indicate a further decline. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of approximately 15.78% over the next 3 months. The estimated return for this period ranges between -17.07% and -5.88%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected decrease of around 19.89% over the next year. The potential return for this period ranges from -20.79% to 13.01%. This suggests a price range of $54.36 to $77.56 after 1 year. Our latest update on Alibaba brings an important headline: Alibaba stock downgraded from hold/accumulate to sell candidate after Monday's trading session. The Alibaba stock price experienced a decline of 1.14% on the last day, Monday, January 22, 2024, dropping from $69.42 to $68.63. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.16%, ranging from a low of $66.64 to a high of $68.74. It's worth noting that the price has fallen in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 6% decline over this period. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign as volume should correspond to the stock's movement. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 26 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.77 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Alibaba stock was $121.30, while the lowest was $66.64. At present, the price is 43.42%, or $52.67, below the 52-week high, and 78.51%, or $250.69, below the all-time high on October 27, 2020, when it reached $319.32. Welcome to today's video on Analyst Ratings. Let's take a look at some recent reports on Alibaba, the company behind Alibaba Group. On Friday, January 12, 2024, Truist Financial gave Alibaba an underperform grade with a hold action. Another report on the same day came from UBS, which gave Alibaba a buy grade with a hold action. Moving back to December 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Alibaba a buy grade with a downgrade action. On November 17, 2023, Mizuho Securities also gave Alibaba a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, Morgan Stanley issued a report on the same day, giving Alibaba an overweight grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Alibaba stock has been given a general buy rating. They have rated the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Today, let's talk about the signals for Alibaba stock. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 0.85%. It's expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact its short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest selling the Alibaba stock, indicating a more negative forecast. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. Keep in mind that there may be some resistance at $69.82 and $73.04 if the stock corrects upwards. However, a breakup above these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. It's worth noting that volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Welcome to our video where we'll discuss some interesting signals for stock trading. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a sell signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger signal also gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Moving on to the short-term moving average, it generated a sell signal 15 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 15 days ago. Now, let's look at the relation between the short and long moving averages. It showed a buy signal 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average signaled a sell 12 days ago. Additionally, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 93 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages on the 12-month chart showed a buy signal 80 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, I want to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. When it comes to support levels, Alibaba currently finds support from accumulated volume at $68.05. This means that if the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. Moving on to the risk factor, Alibaba is considered to have medium risk due to its average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the last day, the stock moved $2.10 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 3.16% change. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.71%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Alibaba, let's first discuss some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may indicate that investors have lower expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $2.86. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to analyze potential day trading levels for Alibaba. If the stock is on an upward trend, we can identify the first resistance level at $72.38. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for the price to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you're already holding Alibaba stock, keep an eye on this level as it could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba faces its first support level at $68.05. If the stock price holds at this level, it could be a suitable entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the future. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Alibaba currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a downward trend. As a result, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. We have revised our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Based on our analysis of volatility and recent market movements, our systems indicate that the current price of Alibaba is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 23, we expect Alibaba to open with a decrease of $0.629 and start trading at $68. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, we strongly recommend consulting with a qualified financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead.